What's up guys, this is going to be my 2-minute drawing fix. You can see this is like a little castle drawing. Single turret with a nice steeple and a little flag on there. So let's put 2 minutes into this and see what we can do to improve. So I'm going to add a little support base at the bottom instead of doing it completely straight down. And then come up at an angle, the same. And you notice I'm just feathering the pen across. Then let's add the structure up. Then let's add a little bit of the mantle sticking out, which is the holes underneath. I think it's a mantle. Then I can add a little bit of detail, just a little bit of an edge just on top of there. Then this is like a cross section, cross window. I think that's what you call it. Yeah, cross window. And then we can do the steeple coming up, curl it in, and then with the flagpole at the top, a little bar at the top. And then this will be the string coming down, and do the flag hanging around. Do some lines going horizontally across here, and then just fill this in for the tile section of the castle. Then we can even start adding into, maybe not to make it just a single watchtower. How about if I added like a little adjoining wall here? Then maybe another adjoining wall. And this can be the start of another turret coming up, and then maybe another one up here. And again, let's just add a bit of detail in here. Then we can do a few little brick indications. I don't want to do it completely in bricks, so it's just little rectangles. Then a little bit of an archway across for the door. Okay, that's looking nice. So guys, hope this helps with your 2-minute drawing fixes. So you can see how much difference you can make in just 2 minutes by making the drawing looking a lot better. Anyway guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later.